Good day, I am JJ Dupree. 44 years old, married for 19 good years with two stepdaughters. I'm from Lydenburg, Mpumalanga, South Africa. I grew up on a farm, a cattle farm. Me and my dad were farming with cattle, Brahmas, Simmentals. I work as a H2A worker in the States for 2 seasons. Currently, I'm self-employed. I work as a contractor for the surrounding farms, and I like to be outdoors, work with my hands. I like machinery. Yeah, and I like the outdoors, horseback riding, hunting, fishing. The reason for me to work in the United States is for a better future for me, my family. Um, I'm not getting younger, we all get older. So I have to work on my future for my family. I hope to work as a good person in the States. Thank you.